Oh, hi there, everyone. This is your Jamaican girl, Norleen, and today's video is a little bit different. Today, I will be taking you with me to a small restaurant in the island of Middle Caicos. Now, guys, it is Wings Wednesday. Yeah, I think I get it right. It's Wings Wednesday. And so, guys, I want to take you with me and allow you to share in my experience. See you on the other side. Right, guys, so as you can see, we are in Little Caicos.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe and stay for the entire
So
video.
we are almost there. In a few seconds, I will take you eating with me.
So guys, we are finally here. It is Dragon Cay Resort. Guys, just look at how inviting this place is. Alright guys, the ambiance and scenery set the tone for what should be a beautiful evening. So we had our menu, we were served our drink. I am having a mix of pina colada and mango daiquiri. Guys, my friends are having their favorite drink. Now guys, you can choose from your favorite wing, whether it be plain, classic, hot, barbecue, pineapple, scotch bonnet. Guys, they are all good. Now you can purchase this by £1 for $16, £2 $30, or £3 $44 is up to your liking. Now guys, after a short wait, just look at all this goodness. Salad in whatever style you want, guys. The sides are to die for, whether it be plantain, rice, potato, whatever, fries, guys. And just look at the good up wings them. See the people, that's a barbecue. You just saw the classic hot, guys. These are our salad we're having, guys. This is the scotch bonnet. What a pineapple scotch bonnet, people. No guys, we can't wait to dig in. After grace, we all dipped our face in. Now guys, don't mind the name when you say pineapple scotch bonnet. The flavor from the pineapple just add this beautiful flavor to the chicken wings. Classic hot, guys. It's mildly hot, but guys, it is totally enjoyable. Just look at how well this is served. It was my pleasure sharing with you this awesome dining experience. Next time you are in the Twin Islands of North and Middle Caicos, make sure to drive over to Dragon Cay and of course check out Mudjin Bar and Grill. This awesome dining experience will leave an indelible mark in your vacation experience. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. See you next week.